Welcome back with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Today we want to kind of say it is snowing, the weather is pouring down heavy, guys, as you can see. Very cold, and as you can see how the weather stay. Basically, what I simply say to you, we got this Jamaican cooking movie which is coming out very soon. Hopefully, guys will like the recipe, like the tips and the idea of everything. And I want to simply say to you, remember you can visit my website at Chef Ricardo Cooking, and also you can get my book for buy on Amazon. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoy yourself, have a wonderful time, and we got a lot more stuff coming out for you guys. For the fans, thank you so much for 2015. Hopefully 2016 will be better and best and even better. So as you can see, snowing, but it's really nice but cold. Enjoy the weather. See you next time. Bye bye.